Good morning, myself Professor Saxena, a stress guru from India. In today's class, we will discuss on one of the very important happy hormone, dopamine. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter that is responsible for feelings of pleasure and reward. It is often associated with activities that give us a sense of accomplishment, such as achieving a goal or completing a task. Dopamine is also released during activities that we find enjoyable, such as eating our favorite foods or engaging in social activities. Dopamine is a type of neurotransmitter, which is a chemical messenger in the brain that transmits signals between nerve cells, or neurons. Dopamine is involved in a variety of functions in the brain, including movement, motivation, pleasure, and reward. It is also important in regulating mood and emotions, attention, learning, and memory. Dopamine is produced by neurons in several areas of the brain, including the substantia nigra and the ventral tegmental area. These neurons release dopamine into the synapse, the small gap between neurons, where it binds to dopamine receptors on the surface of other neurons, triggering a response. Dopamine is also involved in the brain's reward system, which is responsible for the experience of pleasure and reinforcement of certain behaviors. Drugs such as cocaine and amphetamines, as well as certain natural rewards such as food, sex, and social interaction, increase the release of dopamine in the brain, leading to feelings of pleasure and reward. Dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, but it is important to note that its role is more complex than simply causing pleasure. Dopamine is also involved in learning, attention, and decision-making, and its dysregulation has been linked to a range of mental health disorders, including addiction, depression, and schizophrenia. Now that's enough for today's class. Thank you.